Welcome back to Anderson's Smoke Show. Today we are out here with my Ooni Fyra and we're gonna make you a breakfast pizza. Stick around and see how we do it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell so that you can keep up with the latest content. Like the video, write me a comment, let me know what you think of this Ooni Fyra and my breakfast pizza. Now let's make the breakfast pizza. We're gonna start by adding the pellets. We've got the chimney cap here, which also doubles as a scoop. We're gonna put a handful of pellets in here and get it started. All right, that should be enough. I've got my torch here. Now, Ooni does suggest using a tumbleweed fire starter. I don't have any of those, but I've got a butane torch, so we're gonna get this thing lit. Got a pretty good fire going now. We're gonna get this slid into the Ooni. So for this breakfast pizza, we're gonna do something real special. We're gonna start out with some wheat dough. I already started stretching this, but we'll work with it a little bit more. For the sauce, we're gonna use some authentic Hollandaise sauce. For the toppings, we're gonna use some breakfast meats, bacon and some sausage that we've already pre-cooked a little bit to make sure that it'll be done by the time we pull the pizza off. We've got a nice pizza cheese blend here, and we've got some green onions. We're gonna make the pizza, and just before it's done, we're gonna crack an egg and drop that on the pizza too. Let's do it. I've been stretching this dough a little bit already and just getting it ready. And this is a wheat pizza dough. It'll be perfect for this breakfast pizza. I've got my Hollandaise sauce. We'll spread that around with a tablespoon here. We're gonna go all the way out to the edges. We're going to put some sausage on there. Like I said, I pre-browned this, that way we would have ensured that we weren't eating raw meat on our pizza. I've got some bacon. We cooked this to the point where it was chewy. It's done, but it's chewy. And I've got that cheese blend. And some green onion here. The pizza's ready to go in. As soon as the Ooni is up to temperature, we're gonna get that on. All right, the Ooni is up to temperature. The pizza is ready to go in, so let's do it. Take the door off here. It'll hang right there at the bottom. Make sure that your pizza's loose on the peel so you don't make a big accident when you get in there. And you just wanna slide that in and start your 30-second timer. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 23, 24, 25. 30 seconds has passed. We're gonna pull this pizza out to spin it. And that is looking good. So we're gonna turn this pizza here, just like so. And I've got a surprise for you. I cracked an egg, and we're gonna place that egg right on top. Break that yolk and spread it around the pizza here, because I think it would slide off, to be honest with you. And we're gonna get it back in here for the last 30 seconds. Get that pizza out and check out that breakfast pizza. That Hollandaise sauce, that bacon, that sausage, that cheese, and that egg. Let's get it over here, cut it up, and give it a try. Ooni felt sorry for me and sent me one of their awesome Ooni pizza cutters along with this peel here. We're gonna test it out on this breakfast pizza. Let's do it. Oh, that is so much easier than a kitchen knife. Who would have ever thought? Give that just a moment to cool down, and we'll give it a try. All right, we've got this breakfast pizza in my Ooni. It is done. Let's give it a try. That's pretty dang tasty. That's impressive. If you're looking for a simple and easy breakfast pizza, this is the way to go in that Ooni Fyra. If you're interested in getting one of these Ooni Fyras, check the link in the description. I also have another video where you can see me putting it together in my first use. Hey, check out this clip from my first video with the Ooni. In this video, I unbox it and make a pepperoni pizza. Check the card above to see the whole video. Let me tell you what, I'm new to the pizza game, and so are you. Perfect place to learn together. We'll see you next time at Anderson Smoke Show. Yo, thanks again for watching Anderson Smoke Show. Be sure to subscribe and check out that recommended video, and after that, my Facebook and my Instagram accounts. I'll see you there.